Hello world, Wendy from Cali here, back with an unboxing. I have the February Color Street Color Play subscription box, Lost in a Daydream, I want to say is what it's called. But before I unbox, I wanted to show off my little Valentine's Day cards I made for my nephew and nieces. This one's for Benjamin. Benjamin likes warm colors, as you can tell. I took a whole bunch of red, orange, and yellow and made him a cute little patchwork heart. And then it just says, Happy Valentine's Day, Benjamin. Love, Auntie Wendy. And stuck a Madeline to it because he doesn't do candy. So the girls asked for candy and I wasn't going to give him candy if he wasn't going to eat it. So this is his Valentine. And then Lilith has this Valentine here. Very simple. Happy Valentine's Day, Lilith. Love, Auntie Wendy. My little Pachi girl signature there. Cute little heart there. And then ring pop and candy bracelet, because that is what they asked for, and they've been really good lately, so they deserve a cute Valentine's Day. Last but not least, little Amalika. Happy Valentine's Day, Amalika. Love, Auntie Wendy. And this one's little heart, crazy heart person, because Amalika's the crazy one, and she's also the youngest. Candy bracelet and ring pop. And that is that. So, wanted to show them off because they're going to get their Valentines, probably not from me, probably from Uncle. I am going to a Get Fit Factory special Zumba class tonight in celebration of the Lunar New Year. And so it's a longer class, hour and a half. So I thought it would be good to drop off Valentine's Day cards with the kiddos. And I'm going to go get my dance on, get my groove on. But for those that have saw the title of this video and you're waiting for this, this again is the Color Street Color Play subscription box for February 2024. Lost in a Daydream, I think is what it's called. I've stopped paying attention to the names of these after over a year of receiving them, so bear with me. I'm sure there's going to be a description of it in here. And it was kind of no bueno for the Color Street team to kind of leak out a preview of what's already in the box. So a lot of us, myself included, love getting these boxes for the surprise of it, and was a little disappointed in how they kind of just forced us to see what the free gift was inside the box. So I'm sure not everyone's opinion is like that, but that's my opinion. They should give us a choice whether or not we want to see the preview, right? But if you don't want to see a spoiler alert, because I don't think everyone's got their boxes yet as of today. Today's Lincoln's birthday, February 12th, 2024. Turn off the video and come back later if you want to watch the unboxing. But this is my first view of everything that's in the box. As I mentioned, Color Street kind of leaked preview of what was in there. So, can't really all be a surprise. But these nail clips are what they had leaked, as well as, you know what? I'm trying to see if oh, here it is. As well as one of the sets. So, I mean, they're pretty, but, I've got nail clips. I've got a ton of nail clips. You get them off of, Amazon or, Temu or Temu. How do you pronounce that? Now, after Super Bowl commercials, we're kind of confused because I always thought it was Temu, and now, because of the commercials, it's Temu. I have no idea. Anyways, whatever. Trying to get a lot done after coming home from work. My box did arrive on time. I was surprised there was mail today for Lincoln's birthday. I thought it was a holiday. I know schools have it off. So yeah. But anyways, Each subscription box comes with a nail prep pad and a file, just like any Color Street nail set. So that's that. I'm going to look at this pamphlet at the end, so we'll just kind of put that aside for now. We've got Holo Glam, Cyber Pink, Click Fate, and Static Bliss. And they all look like they might be full sets, so that's kind of cool. I like when they do full sets. Okay. What color is that? Jeez, that is like the weirdest texture and color I have seen as of yet. And I don't know if it's translating on camera with the ring light turned on, but you can see that it's like it shifts, it color shifts. We'll have to look at the pamphlet to see the description, but it looks textured. It's so weird. It's definitely different than what we've had before. So this one's Holo Glam. So we'll leave that there. Cyber Pink. Looks like a French tip. Oh, that same texture. I wonder if that's like a thing for spring. Oh, but I love that color. Oh, man. That's almost like a peachy, not just pink, but I like it. Alright. Click Fate. Like clickbait, click fate. This literally looks like Painted Dawn or Cotton Candy Swirl. Some old sets that Color Street had in the past. I wonder if I have some to compare. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Why not? Okay. Opening up my binder to see if I've got anything that looks like that. I swear it does, but I don't know. I might have used those sets, actually. Yeah, I might have just used those sets. Yep, I looked. I don't have any. I knew I had Painted Dawn and Cotton Candy Swirl, and I swear these colors just look similar. But still very pretty. I think this was the set that they had leaked along with the nail clips. And then Static Bliss. What's Static Bliss? Ooh, that definitely is an overlay. But what kind of overlay? Because it looks like a whole bunch of different glitters. Oh, I'm going to like that. Alright, let's see what the pamphlet says about all the sets. The usual, share with us, share your dreamy manicure on social media, and use the hashtag #colorplay to show the world your creativity. I keep forgetting to do that. Like, I just don't. Lost in a Daydream. Here's one way that you can do your nails with all the sets in the box. In this month's box, wander through Colorplay's Lost in a Daydream. Ha, I knew it. That I remembered it correctly. This box features a serene slate blue shimmer. Okay, so this is supposed to be slate blue, although I see a lot of like purple in it. Okay. An ethereal pastel gradient shade. Pastel gradient shade must be this one. And then blissful bubblegum dual-ended French tips. I don't know if I would say that's bubblegum, but still very pretty. And a dainty iridescent overlay. Yes, it is dainty. It is iridescent. It's beautiful. To turn your illusion into a reality. Follow one of our looks or create a custom manicure using your wildest imagination. Colorplay's Lost in a Daydream. Oh, that's in French. I can't read French. I can barely read English. Bonus item, remove nail strips quickly and effectively with our salon quality nail strip removal clips. That's what I do. I use my cotton rounds put a little bit of remover there and clip the nails, and then I just wait like a minute, and it's easy removal, especially if you have glitter sets on like this. This is a massive layer of glitter. Leave it on for like a couple minutes. But yeah, here are the strips. Holo Glam is the blue shimmer, slate blue. So Holo Glam up your nails with this slate blue shimmer with a peach flash. Okay, that's why it looks kind of purpley, because the peach mixed with the slate blue kind of turns it a little bit periwinkle-like. And then Click Fate is escape reality with this cotton candy gradient shimmer. Isn't that what I just said? Cotton candy swirl? They're calling it cotton candy here too. Cyber Pink. Let your dreams run free with these bubblegum dual-ended French tips coated in holographic glitter. Again, I don't think it translates to bubblegum pink. In my opinion, it looks more peachy. And then Static Bliss. Float on a cloud of serenity with this overlay dusted in delicate iridescent flecks. Oh, this one's pretty. I like that. Okay, so in the picture, it does look more bubblegum pink than it does on the backing. So we'll see how it goes when I put it on my fingers, which I will do probably after my Valentine's Day mani. Here are looks. I guess they stopped making those videos in the 3 looks. So it looks like they're cutting back. They're just doing photo shoots. So that's Cyber Pink and Static Bliss on top, Holo Glam by itself on the bottom left, Click Fate all by itself in the middle, and then Click Fate again on the right. So yeah. I guess it doesn't matter too much to me if they do the videos or not, because I would watch them, but it's like sometimes I would forget to click on the little QR code to go watch the videos, so it doesn't really matter to me. But I'm glad that they still include these pamphlets because I love collecting them. But these are all the sets. What do you guys think? Do you guys think it was worth $30 plus tax? We were just talking about how taxes in the different counties and the different states make a difference on how much it costs in total for the box. And yeah, California is one of the most expensive, I'll tell you that. That's what I found out in our little Facebook group chat. But yeah, anyways, this is Lost in a Daydream. What do you guys think? Let me know, comments below, and I'll see you all next time. Peace.